Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. Students, you are welcome in your EVS class. We are on 6th chapter, Air and Water. Okay, let us start. Don't waste your time. First thing is read the names of these objects. Color in green if it is filled with air. Color in blue if it is filled with water. Okay. Tire. You know tire? Scooter have tire, car have tire, bus have tire. In tires what it is filled? Air or water? If air is filled then you have to fill green color. Okay. Ball. Air or water? You will fill green color if answer is air. Air pillow. You have to fill green color. Air cooler. Cooler. What is this filled? You have to understand and then fill green or blue color. Swimming pool. तैरते हैं ना? What it is filled? You have to fill green or blue color. Bubble. What it is filled in bubble? Okay, you have to color these objects. Okay, according to your knowledge. First is air. You know you all are known. Air is very important in our life because we breathe in air. We breathe in air. So we are live by the air. If there is no air, we can't be live. Okay, we live because air is present in our atmosphere. So air is very necessary for us. Now we will start reading. Air is all around us. Air is all around us. As I told you, air is present in our environment. We breathe in air. We live because air is in our surroundings. Okay, we can't see air, but we can't see this. We can feel it. We can feel the air, but we can't touch it and we can't see. Blow on your hands. Do you feel anything? Suppose fan is switched on, you and blow the air on your hands. At that time you can feel air. Means, do you feel something? If your hands are in front of air or in front of fan, what you feel? Yes, you feel, that is air. You feel happy and cool. When your hands are in front of fan, you feel cool. Means you feel air. Hold piece of a paper under a fan. What happens? When you hold a piece of paper under a fan, what happens? What do you see? The piece of paper are blown away by the air. जो piece of paper है, वो टुकड़ा है पेपर का, वो दूर उड़ जाएगा because air is blowing. Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. जब हवा एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पर जाती है, बहती जाती है, उसे हम बोलते हैं विंड, हवा. ओके. We need air to breathe. Plants and animals also need air to breathe. सांस लेने के लिए हमें, पौधों को, जानवरों को, all need air. Human beings, plants, animals, we all need air to breathe. Breathe means सांस लेना. सांस लेने के लिए सबको air चाहिए. All needs air to breathe. We need clean air. What type of air we need? Clean air. We need clean air. We need clean air. Dirty air can make us ill. Dust and smoke make the air dirty. We need clean air to breathe. If our air is not dust free, it is smoky air, at that time we can be ill. हम बीमार हो सकते हैं. Ill means बीमार. Ill means बीमार, sick. Okay, we can be sick if we take a dirty air in breathing. If we take dirty air in breathing, we can be sick. We can be ill. Okay, we must plants clean the air. Who cleans the air? Plants clean the air. We must also keep our surroundings clean. प्लांट्स जो है एयर को क्लीन करते हैं. और वी हैव टू keep our surrounding clean. You know how plants keep the air clean? In air, so many gases are there. Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen. Okay. Then at that time, plants take CO2, carbon dioxide, and leaves oxygen, O2. We need O2 to breathe. Okay, and we leave CO2. हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ते हैं और ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं. लेकिन प्लांट जब ब्रीथ करते हैं तो वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं और ऑक्सीजन को छोड़ते हैं. जब वो अपना खाना बनाते हैं, ब्रीथ करते हैं, तो वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को तो अपने ब्रीथ इन करते हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को अंदर लेते हैं और ऑक्सीजन को छोड़ते हैं. और हमें वही ऑक्सीजन चाहिए होती है. सो दैट्स वाई वी कॉल दैट प्लांट्स क्लीन द एयर. ओके, वी ऑल्सो कीप आवर सराउंडिंग क्लीन. हमें अपनी सराउंडिंग क्लीन रखनी चाहिए, क्योंकि डस्ट ऑल्सो मेक्स आवर एयर डर्टी. No more. Air takes up space. What happens when you blow air into a balloon? एयर को स्पेस की ज़रूरत होती है. एयर नीड स्पेस बिकॉज वन एग्जाम्पल इज एयर. वट हैपन्स व्हेन यू ब्लो एयर इनटू अ बैलून. जो आप बैलून में एयर भरते हो तो वो मोटा हो जाता है. As you blow more air into it, the balloon grows bigger and bigger because air is inside the balloon and air cover all the space in the balloon. That's why balloon grows in size bigger and bigger. Next is water. All plants, animals and human beings need water to live. We all need water to live. We get water from rain, rivers, wells, etc. We need water for many things. As you know, all animals, human beings need water. Plants, animals and human beings need water to live because we feel thirsty. When we feel thirsty, we need water, and to make our food, we need water. If there is no water, we can't be live. If no water, we can't be live. Air and water both are necessary to live. Air and water both are necessary to live. We get water from different sources, just like rain, rivers, wells, sea. They give us water. We need water for many things. For washing the clothes, for bathing, for cooking food, for growing plants, to put out fire, to clean the household things. Means for many different purposes we need water. You can see the picture: to wash the clothes, to bath, to put out fire, to clean your dishes, to to grow plants, to cook. Means for different purpose we need water. Be water wise. Water is precious. We must not waste water. Water is very precious. बहुत कीमती है. Because many people dies every year due to the insufficient water for drinking. They don't have water, that's why they dies. So water is very precious. We must not waste water. How can we save water? We can save the water. Close the taps after use. जब आप पानी का यूज़ ख़त्म हो गया उसके बाद हमें टैप्स को बंद कर देना चाहिए. टर्न्स ऑफ द टैप वाइल्स ब्रशिंग योर टीथ. जब आप वॉश करते हो अपने टीथ को उस टाइम पे आपको नल चलाना चाहिए, लेकिन उससे पहले जब आप ब्रशिंग वगैरह कर रहे हो तो उस टाइम पे आपको टैप को बंद कर देना चाहिए. एंड वन मोर थिंग, जो आपके लीकिंग टैप्स होते हैं उन्हें टाइम टू टाइम रिपेयर कराना चाहिए. लीकिंग टैप से भी बहुत सारा वाटर जो है वेस्ट हो जाता है. वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स में आपको हर रोज़ मशीन नहीं लगानी चाहिए, कुछ दिन छोड़कर मशीन लगानी चाहिए. मशीन से भी काफ़ी सारा, वॉशिंग मशीन में से भी काफ़ी वाटर वेस्ट हो जाता है. सो वी हैव टू क्लोज द टैप्स आफ्टर यूज़. We have to told our parents if any tap is leaking to repair that tap. Okay. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. When you are brushing your teeth, at that time you have to turn off your tap. But when you are washing your teeth, at that time you can turn on the tap. Now students, this much is enough. Now chapter is finished. Okay students, your homework is read this chapter very carefully. If you have any doubt, then you can ask to me. Okay, bye bye, take care.